guys to deal with. I don't know. I don't care. I have no business with that. I mean, really, they're the callers. They call. So I guess you guys talk to them. I was just letting her know what they said. They said, this is loitering. You can't stay in here. They said, this is private property. You can't sit here. You have to get off here. So I was like, maybe they're right. Maybe this is part of
Is this such a big deal you can't just sit on a bench? I mean, you want to sit on the ground and eat food?
I don't care. I got nothing to say to either of you. As long as I'm legal, I'm fine. I'm eating.
You're leaving?
As long as I'm legally here, I'm fine. I'm eating. I mean, I'm not the caller. I'm not here to talk to you. I'm just eating.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
No, I'm in.
Okay. Do you have a name?
Yeah, I guess it's legal for me to be here.
Listen, you can walk on the sidewalk, right? But sitting in the middle of the sidewalk.
Yeah, you're impeding traffic.
Yeah, they told me this is their property.
This is city property. I'm letting you know you're impeding traffic, foot traffic.
I know. They told
so you
me
can't
this
sit.
belongs to them.
I'm telling you
it doesn't.
that you're impeding foot traffic, so you have to move.
Here, you want to get past the whose property it is? This is city. That's theirs.
Okay, you understand my side of the story.
You're gonna understand something really quick. Take your stuff, go over there. No? No? No. So you're interfering with what I'm telling you.
Where am I interfering with?
You're still on the sidewalk. You're impeding foot traffic. It's like sitting in the road, except this is for people who walk.
I moved out. Okay, as soon as you told me it's not their property.
I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm not gonna say it one more. I'm gonna say it one more time.
Get up, Sergeant. Get your sergeant.
No problem. Put your hands right back.
43.
Send a car.
43.
Send cars.
Go back, bro. You hit him first. Go back. I'm going back in. I'm good, right?
45. Get me cars and a 75. JRs.
No, I'll do this. You see, crime. No way.
What's got both here?
You can't arrest me. You started an assault.
Man with no pedestrian traffic. Medical records show that the man received a concussion. Reported the incident trauma.
Right here is where the attack happened at JR's place on Campbell Avenue in West Haven. Right around here is where the man was sitting. Your point of view is around where Officer Nacarado was, and his fellow officer was standing over here a little bit to the right. And that was before the violence ensued.
We give a lot of credit to that officer for having the foresight and the ability to come forward and say what they saw.
Now, Nacarado is out on a $50,000 bond. He's being tried over in Danbury, and he's due back in court on December 17th.
Thank you, everyone. I'll be very brief. On July 1, an incident took place involving a West Haven officer effecting an arrest. The original call for service was an unwanted person at an area of business. Officers on scene reported to their superiors that the arresting officer may have used out-of-policy force. That one officer on the scene had to intervene in stopping the officer. That on 7/2, body camera video was obtained, and the use of force panel, which was within the department, was convened. The panel reviewed all video and concluded the force not to be in accordance with WHPD policies and procedures, also outside of departmental training. That took place on 7/3. On 7/4, the officer was called into my office, where he was placed on administrative leave pending an internal affairs investigation. The incident was reported to the Milford Court, GA 22, at the first available appointment that we could get. The court chose to get the guidance from the Chief State's Attorney's Office, which placed the investigation into the control of the Danbury Court, GA 3. As a result, An investigation was conducted by the Connecticut State Police, where a arrest warrant was drafted and signed and served for the charge of assault second degree.